WrestleMania with the monkey. Get him, Jewel. Get the monkey. Get the monkey. That's right. Oh, don't hurt yourself. Get the monkey, Mama. What's the monkey doing? What you doing to Mr. Monkey? It's actually Miss Monkey. You beating her up? Huh? You beating her up, baby? Look at my sweetheart. You're just so beautiful. Here. See? She's like... You are so silly. You know that? That's the first toy Mommy ever bought from you. I'm glad you're getting use out of it. Uh-oh, it's on your face? Push it. Push it off your face. Use those hands and get it off your face. We know you can do it. I know you can do it. There you go, almost. Okay, not quite. Boo! Bruce! Boo! Jewel. It's not, okay, let's try this one. This one's a little smaller. Let's try her. You be nice to her. You want to eat her too. Okay. You gotta use your hands, baby, not your feet. All right. I'll pick you up if you say mama. Say mama. Say mama. Say mama. Say mama. Okay. Say something, anything. Why are you kicking your feet like that? Did you boo-boo? You make the boo-boos. Let me see. No. Hi. Hey, Stink Stink. Hey, Stink Stink. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Look at you. You're so pretty. Okay, that's enough.